was a very quiet night here. Yeah, dark, but not so dark or so clear that we could see the Milky Way. So yeah, I hoped it would be, but not so. Yeah, the view is stunning from out here to the other side, to the mountains. This is the Peloponnesus side, and that's the side we came from, where Astakos also is. So yeah, very little village. We're gonna drive on from here in a few minutes and move on to the beach area, where I've been told should be really a great beach. So you can walk along the beach, but could go into the sea. It's beautiful weather. It's like so blue. Solar panel is banging, probably already charged everything up. It's just past 10. And this is also an area where there is reed wolves, or European jackals. And you should be able to hear them quite good here. But yesterday with the rain, I don't think they like the rain that much. And we heard them at dusk, but they were far out. And then around 9 o'clock they were pretty close. It was of course pitch dark, so couldn't see them, and I was in the van and didn't really open up, because then they would have been gone too. But yeah, you could hear the howling. Yeah, the one truck coming by, one pickup. It's really quiet here. There are a few farms up there now, but the dogs we heard yesterday probably from the farms there. And yeah, so we sadly couldn't hear the reed wolves or European jackals that much, but we did hear them, and at one time they were fairly close. But yeah, they normally don't come really close to the village as such, because of the big farm dogs and the strays, so they keep them at a distance. But yeah, Bo was already searching for shade in the morning, so yeah, I put on long trousers, but I think I'm gonna switch, at least when we stop at the beach, I'm gonna switch to shorts. With yeah, so a new day, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with us again, as always. Moving on. It's at 11:45. And breakfast, and cleaned up on my very slowly. So now we're ready to move on. About an hour drive. And this is the bay, yeah, marshy. It's like a salt lake, I think. It only gets. It's not continuously open to the sea, but yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, we're gonna have a cup of coffee or two. Hey, bro? Hey? She's as warm as she is so stubborn. I told her to drink. No. And then I told her to sit here in the middle in front of the... No. Oh, yeah. Here's one of those Greek cantina cafe things. What have you? Oh, the strawberries. Yeah, I want a nice cup of coffee. Nice canteen cafe. Yeah, the little sparrows are flying in and out, not only here in the veranda but also inside. our nice cups of coffee, and now we're moving on to one of the most beautiful beaches in the Peloponnese, I've been told, so I'm very curious. Let's go. In Greece, especially when like now we're going outside a village, you drive a bit more to the right as a slower vehicle. So yeah, you are allowed to drive 80 here, so I'm doing 80 now, but yeah, you make room on the road for other vehicles, and not only for vehicles from behind that are passing you, but also for vehicles from oncoming traffic who want to overtake a slower vehicle on their side. So yeah, that's just, it's not rules or anything, but yeah, it's just being nice together on the same road. So yeah, you when it is possible, and here it is possible, you just stay to the side. Yeah, we just passed another traffic light. There are not that much traffic lights in Greece, and the whole stretch we've driven, I think this was number 6 or so, 5 or 6 that we have encountered. So yeah, that's very nice to drive around without all the traffic lights, and it works. It's no problem at all. The diesel prices are not that high around here. It's 129 now, the third in a row I've seen. Doubting a bit what the maximum speed was here. It's not always very clear to see what the maximum speed is. So here it comes up 60, so it should be 80 on this stretch, but yeah, you never know. 60 is mostly like when there is an exit or an entrance to the road, so yeah. Anything about the traffic lights, because this was number 4 since I recorded that last clip about no traffic lights. So yeah, I should have kept my mouth shut. So on this small stretch there was 4 traffic lights. It's almost as many as in the whole Greece we've been traveling. Yeah, before we go to that the fox, that beach, we're gonna stop in this little harbour town coming up, where also ferries leave to the Ionic Islands. And yeah, we are driving by it, so might as well stop. They're selling avocados there. First time I saw that sign. So yeah, always nice to stop in the harbour town, so yeah, let's check it out first. Levante ferries. I'm just parked up here on the side. I don't know if it's allowed or if it's an official parking. I don't think so, but I've been told that here in Greece it's when you wonder, is it allowed or is it possible? Until anyone says you can't, it's okay. So let's get some lunch, make some lunch. Yeah, had a nice lunch. Made some scrambled eggs. Good view. Everything is cleaned up again. Bo went to the front already. Now we're ready to go to the beach. It was a strange little harbour town village. It was the first time I've seen people lay down, sleep, crawl away in self-made tents, cardboard boxes, tucked away in corners. So yeah, I hadn't seen that in Greece yet. I don't know, maybe because it's like a ferry port. People come over or try to get over or whatever, I don't know. Hey, a pheasant. He just ran into this shot for you. So yeah, but now we're all olive trees here, left and right. But we're moving on to yeah, what must be one of the most beautiful beaches in the Peloponnese, I've been told. But yeah, let's see. Of course, it's off season, so I don't know how that is with cleaning of beaches and stuff like that. And if it is a beach that collects a lot of rubbish with storms and stuff. So yeah, just yeah, we're gonna be surprised together. So let's go. Carnival versieringen, carnival decorations in this town. Wow. Cool.
Je bent gearriveerd.
Ja. Rusty. Yeah, some waves come in way further than the other ones. So you think you can walk a bit more over, but then a big wave comes. Now our pants are still wet. But yeah, we're in Greece, the sun is shining, so who cares? Yeah, this is a very nice beach. You can make beautiful beach walks, but it isn't that special either. I've seen more beautiful beaches, not more beautiful, but more beautiful beaches. It is quite nice though. The rubbish that's on the beach is all what's been brought in by the sea. So with strong winds and storms and stuff, it's not that bad. the islands on the other side. One of them is Zakynthos, and the other one I would have to look that up for you guys. But yeah, nice beach walk. Yeah, not living proof, but dead proof. That sea turtles are around here. Oh, this is the remains of. It's been dead for quite a while by the looks of it. Bones really falling off, skull bare. But yeah, like I was saying, the island on the other side, Zakynthos, is one of the places that is familiar for its sea turtles breeding. So yeah, this is proof that they are around here, and yeah, let's hope that that's the same sign as last year when we were in Spain, and the first dolphin we saw was a dead one, and later on we saw real live dolphins. So yeah, let's hope that's the case in this situation too. This house is on the beach, and at first I thought, what are all those yeah, wooden structures with plastic around? Thought, is it like hot tubs that they but they're way too small for that. And I see double ones, the distances are irregular, so I now do think they are turtle nests that they want to protect and give enough warmth, by the looks of it, with the plastic around, so the eggs do come out. And yeah, that's what I think they are. So there are quite a few on this stretch here. This is the second one now, so I thought, yeah, I might as well put it on video. But there are these toilet buildings, and they are semi put apart. There's the Flanders that go in front, I guess, but the paper is still in the paper holder, and you can also see what garbage collects on the beach. Wood, bamboo, a lot of bamboo everywhere in southern Europe. You see bamboo, it's ridiculous. But yeah, tree branches, plastic bottles, flip-flops, whatever. So yeah, that was the second now, so I thought might as well put it on video. Just gonna check out if we go around that rock, because it's 4 o'clock now. I don't want to get stuck before dark on the other side of that rock. So yeah, I'll check it out. Haven't seen this one on my way up, but it seems to be a beach of all markets. This looks like sheep. Yeah, it is. Don't know how that got here. Yeah, we are at the Robinson Beach Resort thingy. I don't know if this is actually abandoned or that it's just closed for season. It looks like the grass hasn't been, has been cut not that long ago. But then again, the damage in some places is so extensive. It's not just from the winter. I get at the awning that could have happened this winter, but then there one of the where the palm trees is in, one of the walls around that is completely demolished, and so there is more stuff that it looks like it's been here like this for years. But yeah, I really don't know. It's a strange place. It's quite big, because we walked all there to the end on that side, and it goes on a bit, and also stretches on way more that way. Bo likes the grass though, so yeah, I don't know, we're gonna walk here on top a bit more. Yeah, look what I found on the beach. It's a floater for a boat. I'm gonna bring that, I'm gonna attach that to the van somehow. Bo likes my walking stick too, and it's a nice stick. It's crooked, it goes in a bend. I like that. And yeah, so I'm gonna attach that to the van, so when we get to a place where water rises, the van doesn't sink. Yeah, back on the beach, and both found another turtle. This one isn't that far decomposed as the other one. You can't see the skull yet. Here is still skin on. But yeah, they do have the leathery skin and the panzer, so it's gonna take a while. But yeah, it's sad, but yeah, I don't know how it got here. Did it get entangled in something? Did it die in the water, die on the beach? Did it eat something? I don't know. It's always hard with stuff like this. Can't draw any conclusions from just a dead turtle on the beach. Pressure, there's not much pressure on, but there is a water, and there is a water, and I just filled the cup for Bo, but she already drank in the swimming pool of the resort, so yeah. Yeah, we're back up the van, at the van. We just ate. Yeah, this is where we are. We're gonna stay here for the night. Very quiet. Sometimes people come in to go for a walk on the beach, walk the dog, go for a run. I've got one neighbor, Germans, man and woman, I believe. I said hi to her when I arrived, said hi when I came back, but I believe they're a bit more to themselves. Sun is gonna set, I don't know, half an hour to an hour. I don't know how late it is. It is, no, half an hour, something like that. So I'll try to take a little clip of that. But yeah, tomorrow we're going to move on. And now we are getting close to meeting back up with old friends. So looking forward to that. I'm going to meet them tomorrow. And Bo is going to go crazy, I know. So yeah, looking forward to that. And yeah, that's it again.